Step 1. App Setup. First, download the Instara app on your smartphone. Enter your email and the verification code sent to you. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Set up your password and complete your profile as prompted. Step 2. Preparation and cleaning. Open the package box. Remove the sensor applicator, sensor pack, alcohol wipe, adhesive patch, and manual. Wash your hands before applying the device. Before applying the sensor, choose a suitable placement area. Choose a soft spot between the back of your upper arm. If necessary, gently shave any excess hair on the selected site to ensure optimal sensor adhesion. If you've just showered or been sweating, do not apply the sensor until your skin is completely dry. Use an alcohol wipe to thoroughly wipe the selected area. Wait at least 30 seconds until the skin is completely dry before applying the sensor. Step 3. Sensor assembly and application. Open the aluminum seal of the sensor pack and lay it flat on the table. Remove the applicator's base cap. Align the triangle marks, then insert the applicator into the sensor pack. Don't touch the safety lock and keep it locked. Cross your hands over the applicator and press down hard with firm pressure. When you hear a clear click, the sensor is assembled. Gently lift the applicator and check whether the sensor is properly assembled. If this happens, go back one step and press again. Slide the applicator's side safety lock upward to unlock it. Avoid touching the applicator button to prevent accidental activation. Align the applicator with the chosen site to prepare for insertion. Make sure the applicator is firmly pressed against the skin to avoid a failed insertion. Press the button. When it pops, the sensor is applied. Gently press the sensor and the surrounding adhesive to ensure it is firmly attached to the skin. Peel off the backing and place the adhesive patch over the sensor, making sure it sticks firmly all around. Step 4. Sensor activation. Open the Instara app, tap Connect Sensor. Then scan the QR code on the back of the applicator to activate it. If you have trouble scanning, you can also enter the code manually. Wait about 15 minutes. The app will show the first reading once activation is done. Daily care and precautions. To ensure stable sensor performance, please follow these guidelines during the first 24 hours. Please try to keep the sensor area dry and avoid letting the water stream directly hit the sensor when showering. Avoid bumps or friction that may disturb the sensor. However, if you ever experience unexpected readings or alerts, first, check if you are lying on the sensor, relieve any pressure, and wait a few minutes for the reading to normalize. If your symptoms still don't match, always confirm with a blood glucose meter.